American writer Mark Twain has once said, there are three kinds of lies: lies, damn lies, and statistics. Unfortunately, in the world we are today, I have to add one more thing. There are lies, damn lies, statistics, and AI, the artificial intelligence. I'm not trying to scare anyone. There are inherent dangers of the AI which people must understand. And people must also understand what is AI and what's the meaning of AI, because many people, even the people who are in IT industry, believe that AI is something equivalent to what we have as subconscious intelligence. No, AI is having none of that. Today's AI, most if not all, is totally based on data intelligence. ChatGPT and others, to name a few, they are based on the data that is being fed to it, and they work because they have the capability of processing large amount of data to identify a pattern and give you the answer which looks like that it is giving you the answer after thinking about it. No, it doesn't. It looks into your questions, identify the patterns based on the data fed to it, and it gives you the answer. Now, why it's dangerous? It's dangerous because it is working based on the data that is being fed to the AI. Let me give you a very simple example. We all know 1 plus 1, 2, right? Yeah, that's right. 1 plus 1 is 2. And if we fed the same to the AI, it will say, okay, yes, 1 plus 1 is 2. But what if somebody decides to feed the data 1 plus 1 is equal to 11? AI will learn 1 plus 1 is equal to 11 because AI doesn't know maths. It has no way to validate the incoming training data. It learns based on the training data, and if all the AIs are being fed that 1 plus 1 is 11, and tomorrow if you ask what is 1 plus 1, the AI will tell 11. I know many of you might be surprised and many of you might not even know about this. That's correct, and that's why the data that is used for training the AI is of utmost importance. All the companies which are pioneering the AI, many of them are not even telling what kind of data they use to feed the AI to train it. And they are doing some agreements amongst themselves to, get some data to train the AI. But at the end of the day, if I am owning an AI, I have the control on what is the training data I want to use for my AI. Whether that's a valid training data or not, I don't think there is any control anywhere exists today. It depends upon individual companies, individuals who want to train their AIs with a data they think deemed correct. If tomorrow someone consider 1 plus 1 as 11, they think it's deemed correct, they will train their AI with that. Okay, so what we should do as an individual? So if somebody is selling me an AI, and if I have to use that, I'll be more interested in the training data that was used for training the AI as compared to the algorithms that are being used or the models that are being used. You know, models can be just, algorithms can be just, maybe training data we can't. So as individuals, we have to bank on AI, just like, just because Mark Twain said that there are lies, damn lies, and statistics will be here. It will not go away. People will learn, people will use stats. Similarly, AI is not going to go away. People will learn, people will use the AI. But we have to be careful, and we have to careful in such a way that, you know, even though there is AI, we have our own intelligence. Let's make use of that. I don't actually buy the statement from Nvidia CEO that you do not learn anything, do not learn programming because AI is gonna do it. No, not at all. AI will depend upon my programming to write a better code, not the other way around. If I'm not writing new piece of code, the AI has no way to learn it. It will just rotate around their own permutation combination because it doesn't have the subconscious intelligence, something we can come up with. Okay. And it's also true that to a large extent, maybe 80-90% of the things can be done by them, but to progress further, I do believe that as a software developer, as an individual, as someone who know how AI works, and as someone who has worked on AI, to progress, we need subconscious intelligence, which we have. Without that, we will not progress. So, those were my thoughts on the AI. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. We will meet again. And till the next time we meet, good day, goodbye. You take care.